Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create 5 amazing blending effects in Premiere Pro that are super simple but at the same time very efficient, and for sure it will level up your video editing skills. Starting with effect number 1, making your video look like it's in a dream. To do that, let's duplicate the video by holding Alt and dragging it one track up. Then go to the effects library and find the Gaussian blur effect. Grab it and drop it over the duplicate of your video. After that, go up to the effects panel, scroll down to the effect and increase the blurriness up to 85 or above. And as you can see now, the video is blurred, but not for long. Now to blend this video with the original one, go to opacity and here you'll find the blend modes. From the menu, go and find the screen mode. This blend mode will make the dark areas transparent, so the light areas will interact with your original video. And you can readjust the opacity or increase the blurriness until you get the desired result. Now moving to effect number 2, which is the glowy sketch effect. Look at this girl dancing. Now we want to give her some sort of delay and glow sketch effect. To do that, duplicate your clip again by holding Alt and dragging it one track up. After that, go to Effect Controls, find the opacity property, and open the blending mode. Now scroll down and find the difference. And as you can see, nothing is yet happening because both clips are perfectly synced. So to create the effect, select the second video and move it a few frames forward by holding down Alt and hitting the right keyboard arrow a few times. Now that looks awesome already. But to spice it up even more, move both clips one track up. Then hold down Alt and duplicate the bottom clip. After that, I'll quickly trim all videos so they will be the same length. Now select the two clips on top, nest them and give them a name. Then I will select the nest layer, go to the opacity, and from the blending mode I will change it to pin light. And frankly, that actually looks really cool. Also guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the video so far. And now let's go back to the tutorial. Effect number 3, creating glass text effect by blending video. Here we've got this amazing winter video and I want to add text on top of it. I'll grab the text tool and create a text anywhere on the program monitor. Now we can see that the text is in the Essential Graphics panel. And here we can add other things such as video. To do that, I will go to the project window, grab the background video and drag it underneath the text layer. And what we are going to do next is to blend the video with the text. To do that, make sure that the text is selected and scroll all the way down. Then at the bottom, make sure mask with text is checked. And what this will do is to fill up the text with the video we just added. And as you can see, the text disappeared. Now to bring it back, select the graphic layer, hit Alt and the right arrow a few times. And by doing that, we're gonna offset the text so the video inside becomes visible. After that, go to opacity and change the blending mode to screen. And as you can see, it looks okay. But to make it much better, go to the Lumetri panel and open the light settings. From there, play around with the exposure, the shadows and the blacks to make the text stand out even more. And just like that, we have created this amazing glass text effect. Now let's go to effect number 4, the double exposure effect. For example, is this clip of nature and a wolf. To start with, drag the clip of the wolf on top of the nature video. Then select the first clip and move up to opacity. Set the blending mode from normal to multiply, and now you can see the video through the lighter parts of the wolf's face. It looks kind of okay, but it's not done yet. So what we are trying to do here is to make the light parts more visible so we can enhance the effect. To do that, go to the Lumetri window and expand the curves panel. Then create a curve like this. And what this will do is to increase the contrast of the video. And now you can see that it's getting better. But if you want to add some extra color, expand the color wheels and match, play around with the shadows, midtones and highlights to spice it up even more. And look at this, it looks amazing. Moving to effect number 5, it's more like a transition but still involves blending. First, have your two videos on the timeline and make sure that the first clip overlaps just a little with the second one. The amount of the overlap will be the duration of your transition, so keep that in mind. Then cut the second video exactly at the beginning of the overlap. Once this is done, go to the project window, right click, then new item and create a color mate layer. Use the same resolution settings as the original clip. Set the color to white and click OK. When you're done, drag the color mate on top of the two clips. Make sure it's the same length as the overlap we created. Next, go to the toolbar and select the polygon tool. Hold shift and draw a triangle or whatever object you like on the program monitor. When you're done, make sure that you drag it at the middle of the frame. Now head over to the effect controls and make sure the color is set to black, otherwise the effect won't work. While the object is still selected, make sure the playhead is in the first frame of the clip. Then go to the vector motion, find the scale properties, set a keyframe and set the scale to 0. Then grab the playhead and move to the end of the clip and increase the scale until the whole frame is covered. Now select the first keyframe, right click and ease out. Next, select both layers and nest them. After that, go to Effects, find the TrackMate key effect and drop it over the part we cut from the first clip. Then head over to the Effects panel, find the TrackMate key effect and set the mate from none to track where your video is. In my case, it's track number 3. Then from Composite, I will change Mate Alpha to Mate Luma. And like that, friend, you can create this amazing transition. And now if you want to find out how to create more amazing transitions in Premiere Pro, you can watch this video somewhere over here or over here. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.